Let me show you how to connect Shopify to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP, create products directly from Claude, and pull your full product catalog. First, go to InsightfulPipe connectors and choose Shopify from the available platforms. To connect Shopify, you need to create a custom app. The setup guide on the right shows you the steps. In Shopify, go to Settings. You will find the store URL in the top left. Copy it and paste it in the InsightfulPipe setup. Let's get the client ID and secret. Back in Shopify, click Apps from the sidebar. You will see the app development page. Now click Develop Apps. It will navigate you to the Dev dashboard. In the Dev dashboard, click Create App, name it InsightfulPipe, and click Create. It opens the Create a Version page. You will see the Scopes field. Go back to InsightfulPipe and copy the scopes from the setup guide, then paste them in the Dev dashboard. Click Release. Name the version 1.0 and click Release to make it active. The version is now active. Next, you need to install the app on your store. Select your store from the list and click Install to grant the app access. Now go to the Dev Dashboard Settings page, copy the client ID and the client secret. Back in InsightfulPipe, paste the client ID and client secret, then click Save Custom App. The Shopify connection is saved. Now copy the Shopify MCP server URL from the guide page. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the Shopify MCP server URL, name it, and click Add. Now let's use it. Write a prompt asking Claude to create new products in Shopify with names, descriptions, prices, and inventory. The prompt includes 5 products: Urban Runner sneakers, Trailblaze outdoor shoes, Velocity sport trainers, Aeroflex performance shoes, and City Stride casual sneakers. Claude connects to your Shopify store through InsightfulPipe, gets the location ID, and starts creating the products one by one. All 5 products are created successfully. Each product is active with 100 units of inventory. Now write a second prompt asking Claude to pull all products from the store and generate a catalog report. Claude pulls the full product catalog. It shows 12 products, all active, with prices, inventory, and status. The report includes a quick summary highlighting the highest and lowest priced products, inventory levels, and a total of 1,075 units across all products. Here are the products live in the Shopify admin. You can see all the new products alongside the existing ones. Opening City Stride. Casual sneakers, you can see the price at $130, an inventory set to 100 units at the shop location. Velocity sport trainers shows the correct description, price at $140, and product type set to shoes. That's Shopify connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe.